In this quick walkthrough, we'll learn how to manage licensed users in MPTrack, add new users, change roles, and free up licenses in seconds. Go to the licensed users, where you can see who's part of your plan and manage their access roles. You'll see all active users, their roles, and the total licenses you've used. To invite a new user, click New User, enter their email, choose a role, and click Add. If the invited person hasn't signed up yet, they'll need to complete the sign-up process. And if they are already part of another plan, they'll need to leave their current plan or sign up with a different email. To update a user's permissions, simply choose a new role from the drop-down and click Update. If someone no longer needs access, click the Delete icon to remove them. This frees up a license for another team member. That's all you need to manage licensed users in MPTrack. Add, edit, or remove them anytime. Thanks for watching.